In 2026, the cost of launching a business dropped to basically zero. You don't need a warehouse, developers, or a massive marketing budget. Anyone with a laptop and a few AI subscriptions can generate products, write code, and spin up sales funnels in minutes. Because of that leverage, hitting a $200,000 per month run rate is mathematically possible. There are solo operators doing exactly that right now, using models like micro SaaS, drop shipping, or faceless YouTube channels. But scrolling through social media, you usually only see the end result in a flashy, hyped-up 60-second hook. That leads a lot of beginners to jump from one trending side hustle to the next, hoping the AI will do all the work while they ignore actual business fundamentals. Because starting is essentially free, you are now competing against everyone. The market is saturated with people who can execute a basic AI prompt. To cut through the noise, this scorecard grades 10 of the most hyped business models against hard data. We'll evaluate the capital you actually need to start, the real timeline to profitability, and how much leverage AI truly provides. Scaling a business today means you have to master customer acquisition and fulfillment. You cannot just prompt your way to a massive revenue run rate. First up are the organic traffic models, or what I call the attention farmers. This category includes faceless YouTube automation, print-on-demand, and AI content flipping. The appeal here is design velocity. A solo operator can use integrated AI tools to generate dozens of custom t-shirts on Printify, or script, voice, and animate a fully produced YouTube documentary in a single afternoon. But there is a catch to all this output. You are completely dependent on platform algorithms to get seen. Because you aren't paying for ads, it typically takes 3 to 6 months of daily publishing before you see a single dollar. To reach a $200,000 threshold, you have to target high RPM niches. Advertisers pay top dollar for audiences interested in finance, tech, and software, meaning your content has to compete in those highly lucrative spaces. Since those niches are crowded, basic stock footage and a robotic voice won't work. You have to invest in premium 3D AI editing and high-quality voice synthesis to stand out from generic content. This risk matrix plots exactly what you are trading. We have time to profit on the horizontal axis and capital risk on the vertical. These models land heavily in the high time, low capital quadrant. Your financial risk is nearly zero, but your time investment is massive. Attention farming is a grueling organic grind where relentless consistency is your only real currency. Next, we have the margin machines: high-ticket affiliate marketing, online coaching, and micro SaaS. The math here is entirely different. If you sell a $3,000 coaching program or a high-tier B2B software package, you only need about 60 or 70 conversions a month to hit a $200,000 run rate. Founders use AI to build aggressive acquisition systems. They deploy automated webinars, clone high-converting sales funnels, and offer friction-free trials backed by strong money-back guarantees to maximize lead flow. Getting the lead is only half the battle. To prevent clients from churning or asking for refunds, you have to deliver results. That means carving out around 20% of your margins to pay human coaches, community managers, and support staff. The metric that dictates your survival in this sector is customer acquisition cost. If you spend $500 in ads to acquire a $1,000 customer, you have room to operate. If your back-end fulfillment system is weak and those leads don't convert into paid renewals, you will burn through your ad spend and go into the red almost immediately. Let's pull up the risk matrix again to see how this measures up. These models sit firmly in the high capital risk, fast time to profit quadrant. You can see revenue on day one, provided you have the cash to buy the traffic. Margin machines trade time for intense financial risk. You need elite sales skills and strict operational systems to survive. Our final group covers arbitrage and local plays. This includes AI dropshipping, Amazon FBA, local lead generation agencies, and real estate wholesaling. The AI advantage here is raw speed. You can scrape a competitor's winning Facebook ads, translate them for a new market, and clone their entire landing page HTML in under 30 minutes. But launching a funnel quickly doesn't guarantee a single sale. You are immediately stepping into highly competitive bidding wars on Facebook, TikTok, and Amazon ad networks. You will likely need between $5,000 and $10,000 in liquid cash just to buy enough ad data to find a winning product or figure out your local cost per lead. On the B2B side, like local agencies and real estate, founders use AI voice agents and automated email sequences to contact thousands of businesses and homeowners a day. Yet there is a hard human friction barrier. A traditional business owner or a home seller still requires a high-touch conversation before they hand over a check or sign a contract. An AI chatbot cannot close a complex real estate deal. We bring back the risk matrix for our final evaluation. Dropshipping, FBA, and local agencies drop into the high capital risk, variable time quadrant. These are high-stakes data buying exercises. To make them work, you need deep pockets and the ability to close deals with real people. The question isn't which of these models is best. The question is which model fits the resources you actually have. This decision tree filters your options based on your primary constraint. Do you lack time, capital, or technical skill? If you are cash poor but have hours of free time every day, you should lean into the attention farmer models like faceless YouTube or print on demand. Your sweat equity replaces ad spend. If you have a demanding full-time job but have savings to invest, you are time poor but cash rich. You should focus on margin machines and arbitrage, using your capital to buy speed and acquire customers immediately. Aligning your business model with your actual constraints is critical. Every single one of these paths has a steep valley of despair where systems break and profits vanish. If your model matches your resources, you can survive that dip. AI has not created passive income. It has created highly leveraged income. You still have to choose your operational grind and commit to it for 12 to 24 months to see real scale. If you have the time and want to build a content machine without showing your face, click the video on screen now. We break down the exact tech stack you need to execute the faceless YouTube model properly.